Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What does covering with foil do in oven? Actually, the reason you cover any food with foil is to keep the surface from cooking faster than the interior of the food. That happens because the surface dries out very fast and then will burn when the moisture is all gone. The foil prevents that from happening. Can you bake with aluminum foil? From the Reynolds FAQ webpage, to avoid possible heat damage to your oven, we do not recommend using aluminum foil to line the bottom of your oven. The foil should be only a few inches larger than the baking pan to allow for proper heat circulation. The foil will catch any drips before they reach the oven bottom. When baking, do you bake covered or uncovered? Uncovering the foods promotes browning and crisping, and reduces the amount of liquid in the finished dish. If a casserole looks soupy when it's ready to bake, you probably should bake it uncovered unless the ingredients include pasta or rice, which absorb liquid. Can I use foil instead of a lid? Foil. A double sheet of foil works well as a lid when you need a closer fit than a sheet pan or a frying pan would provide. It's a little more difficult to manipulate than a lid, but it traps heat and moisture just as effectively.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.